Hi friend, today we are going to discuss the new organic synthesis reaction, that is NIP reaction. NIP reaction, it is hydrolysis reaction, that is the salt can be hydrolyzed in presence of acid and base catalyst to form a carbonyl compound like aldehydes or ketone molecules. For this reaction, we have required, these are the three important components like substrate molecules. The substrate like primary or secondary nitroalkane, that means at least one hydrogen is essential condition for the nitroalkane molecules. Then second one, reagent for this reaction we have used acid and base. These are the reagent for these reactions, and from this reaction we can get the product of this reaction, that is carbonyl compounds, that means formation of aldehydes or ketone molecules. In essential conditions, the nitroalkane must contain at least one alpha H atom for this NIP reaction. For the tertiary nitroalkane molecule, this reaction could not possible, or we cannot form product from this tertiary nitroalkane molecules. Now general reaction, there is nitroalkane like these are the R1 group, it may be from alkyl or aryl groups. The most essential condition in this reaction center, that is these are the nitro groups, that is these are the main functional group for this reaction, and this molecule contain at least one alpha H atoms. Here these are the nitro groups, these are the alpha H present in this reaction molecules, reacted in presence of these are the base and these are the acid to form the final product of this reaction, that is formation of aldehydes or ketone compounds like carbonyl molecules. Reaction mechanism for this NIP reaction. In this NIP reaction, there are use of this substrate molecule reacted in presence of this reagent to form a product molecules. In this reaction mechanism, we have learned the how this substrate molecule react with this reagent molecules to form the final desired product for this reaction. In step first, there is formation of salt molecules. The main substrate of this reaction like secondary nitroalkane R1, here nitro group, second that is R2 groups. This carbon contain one hydrogen atoms, reacted in presence of base, that is NaOH, here use of base, formation of Na plus ions and OH minus ions, that is use of base. The base abstract the highly acidic proton present from this substrate molecule. Now see here, these are the substrate of this reaction. Here there is only one the acidic proton present in these carbon atoms. Therefore these are the highly acidic protons can be abstract by this base, for abstraction of H plus ions. Therefore this bonding electron present between this carbon and hydrogen atoms shifted toward these carbon atoms to form salt molecules like here R1 NO2, the other group that is R2, and this carbon contain negative charge due to these are the hydrogen bonded electrons shifted toward the carbon atoms and the H plus ions, that is proton abstracted by this base molecule to form a salt compound. In this reaction, this bonding electron shifted to form a single to double bond. Here there is formation of N plus ions and this bonding electron shifted toward the oxygen atoms to form here R1 N double bond R2, here O minus ions, again O minus ions, the nitrogen contain positive charge. Now in second step, the protonation take place of the salt molecules. Here these are the salt molecule reacted in presence of proton, that is H plus the protonation take place, that means the oxygen minus ions abstract H plus ions to form the molecule that is nitronic acid. Here formation of R1 C double bond, here R2 N OH, this oxygen contain negative charge, again one another H plus ions, that is protonation take place. This oxygen can be abstract H plus ions to form the product of this step, like R1 N double bond OH, here R2, that is formation of nitronic acid. In step third, the nucleophilic addition take place on the nitronic acid, that is here the nucleophile, that is water molecule, act as a internal nucleophile to form 1-nitroso alkanol as a product of this third step. Here the nitronic acid, like R1 N double bond OH, here again OH, these are the R2 group. Nitrogen contain positive charge, reacted in presence of nucleophile like water molecule. Here the oxygen containing non-bonded pair of electron donate toward the electron deficient carbon atoms. Here nitrogen contain positive charge, this carbon is electropositive center, therefore the nucleophile donate electron toward the electron deficient carbon atom, then this bonding electron shifted toward this nitrogen atoms to form the molecule, like here R1 N, the second group, that is R2 groups, OH, the already present group OH, and the newly bonded groups like OH2. Here the oxygen act as a nucleophile, therefore these are the electron, one electron less, therefore this oxygen bearing with positive charge, therefore this oxygen can be abstract the hydrogen bonded electron. There is elimination of H plus ions to form here R1 N OH, R2 OH. These are the highly acidic molecule due to there are 3 OH group present, due to these are the less stable molecule, therefore this bonding electron shift toward the oxygen atom to form a single to double bond, and this group eliminate with its bonding pair of electron, that is OH minus ions and this H plus ions. So there is elimination of water molecule, it is elimination of H2 to form the product of this step third, that is 1-nitroso alkanol molecules, that is formation of 1-nitroso alkanol as a product of this step third molecules. In the step 4, there is rearrangement take place of the 1-nitroso alkanol compounds to form a hyponitrous acid as a product of this step 4 reaction. Here the oxygen containing non-bonded pair of electrons, this bonding electron shifted toward the oxygen carbon atom to form a single to double bond, and then this bonding electron abstract H plus ions, formation of R1 C double bond OH, R2 plus EH N double bond O, that is hyponitrous acid. Here oxygen contain positive charge, this bonding electron shift to form the final product of this reaction, like R1 C double bond O, R2, that is formation of carbonyl compounds. with elimination of nitric acid. Now these are the practice example. You can solve these examples with mechanism as well as correct product of these reactions.